You write 50 lines of code, hit run, and suddenly everything breaks. So you start debugging. 5 minutes later, you're staring at the same line thinking, how is this even possible? If you've ever programmed before, you've probably had this moment. The moment where something that looked perfectly fine just refuses to work. And there's actually a reason debugging feels harder than writing the code itself. In fact, computer scientist Brian Kernighan once said that debugging is twice as hard as writing the code in the first place. And when you think about it, that makes a lot of sense. When you write code, you're basically creating a set of instructions for the computer to follow. But modern programs don't run in isolation anymore. They interact with databases, networks, APIs, operating systems, and sometimes several services at the same time. Because of that, even a very small mistake can create a much bigger problem than you'd expect. Something as simple as forgetting a single equals sign or mixing up a condition can completely change how the program behaves. And when that happens, it's not always obvious where things went wrong. When you're writing code, you usually have a clear idea of what you're trying to build. You're following a plan step by step, and the logic makes sense while you're writing it. Debugging is different. Now you are looking at a program that already failed, and your job is to figure out why. The goal isn't always clear anymore, and the code that caused the problem might not stand out at all. So instead of creating something new, you're trying to understand behavior that doesn't match your expectations. And the truth is, the code you're reading isn't always written by someone else. Sometimes it's written by you, just a few weeks or months earlier. And now you're looking at it, wondering why it works the way it does, or what you were thinking when you wrote it. And this gets even harder as software grows. Modern applications can contain hundreds of thousands or even millions of lines of code. Different parts of the system depend on each other, and a small issue in one place can easily affect something somewhere else. For example, a slow database request might cause an API to fail. That API failure can break the front end, and from the user's perspective, it suddenly looks like the entire application is broken. That's why experienced developers almost never try to guess the problem. Instead, they approach debugging more systematically. They use logs, breakpoints, and they isolate parts of the code to see exactly where things start going wrong. The goal is to slowly narrow down the possibilities until the real cause becomes clear. So writing code is about creating logic and building something that should work. But debugging is about understanding logic that already broke. And that's why debugging often feels harder than writing the code in the first place. Because sometimes the most difficult part of programming isn't writing the code, it's figuring out what the code you already wrote is actually doing. And if you've ever spent hours debugging, only to realize the problem was a missing character or a tiny mistake, then you already know exactly what that feels like.